Hi everyone, let's continue with one more example on designing of DFA for the given language. Here language is a raised to m, b raised to n and some conditions are given in terms of m and n. So based on this language, we will write the minimum length string. Here m value and n value are given independent to each other. M is greater than 0 means it will start with 1. N is greater than or equals to 0 means it will be starting with 0. It's may possible that 1 will be as it is here but n value will be changed, or m may change, n will be as it is. All possibilities are there. We can design some sample string based on this condition to understand the language. For example, if m is 1 and n is 0, so what is this language? The 0 number of bits, single a is allowed, so single a. If I take the next possibility a1 b1, so ab is allowed. If I take the next possibility a2 b0 means 2 a's are allowed. If I take the next possibility a2 b1 means 2 a's followed by 1 b. In another case a2 b2 means 2 a's followed by 2 b's. Likewise there are many more possibilities. If we observe all these cases, all these sample strings, it shows that all a's followed by all b's, and b's may or may not come because n is greater than or equals to 0. All a's, because m greater than 0, at least one a should be there. See, at least one a should be there. And if b is coming, then all b's. Format should get maintained. All a's, then all b's. Let's design automata for the given strings as per the given language. Q0 is the starting state. Single a should get accepted. So single a should get accepted here. It will go to the final state because single a is a minimum length string. It's satisfying our condition m greater than 0, n greater than or equals to 0. Writing this minimum length string based on this condition is very important. So have a table, write down the values of m and n, and based on that you can write down this minimum length string. Now a is accepted. Now ab also should get accepted. So q0 reading a going to q1. Next symbol is b. For b, transition should go to the final state. So I am taking one more final state, q2. So b is accepted. Now in your mind there might be a question, why I am not taking the existing final state? Can I give self loop here for all number of b's? If I give the self loop here, q1 is going to read 0 or many b's. But what about this multiple number of a's? If I want to write transition for this multiple of a's, we cannot write it, because our format says all a's then all b's. Hence I cannot give the self loop for symbol b at q1. That's the reason I have taken new final state to read the b. So ab is accepted. Once I have written DFA for our main condition for the given language, try to make it deterministic. From q0 there is a transition for a. Deterministic means what? For each symbol a and b, there must be only one transition from each state. From q0 there is a transition for a, but transition for b is missing. Write down the state. We are trying to find transition for b. How to reach to q0 from starting? q0 itself starting. How to reach to final from q0? Final is q1 as well as q2. If I take the first final, ba, is this valid string? No. As I said, format is important. All a's then all b's. Here starting with b. So this is not valid string. So transition for the symbol b from the state q0 should go to the dead state. And once automata is in dead state, there may be multiple a and b. Now q0 becomes deterministic. Similarly, try to make q1 deterministic. I want to make q1 deterministic. How to make it? Write down the state which we want to make deterministic. From q1 there is a transition for b. I am trying to find transition for a. How to reach to q1 from starting state? Starting state is q0. How to reach to q1? By reading a. How to reach to final state from q1? q1 itself is a final, or we can also consider q2. So we can read b. This is the optional. Ask yourself, is this valid string? Yes. All a's followed by b's. We have the similar string here. q1 is looking for single a, or double a is also allowed. Yeah, double a is also allowed, because if we write this as it is, all a's then b's. Triple a is also allowed. If no a is coming means what? Sigma. Sigma contains 0 number of A's, starting to Q1 as it is, this B as it is, A dot epsilon dot B, this becomes AB. This is also valid. All are valid string because all A's are coming, then B are started. So Q1 is looking for 0 number of A's, then 1 number of A, 2 number of A's, 3 number of A's, means Q1 looking for 0 number of A's or many number of A's. So 0 or many. At which state? State is Q1. Symbol is A. So at Q1 we have self loop for symbol A. Q1 becomes deterministic. Now try to make Q2 deterministic now using the same uniform method. How to make Q2 deterministic? Write down the state Q2. I am trying to find transition from Q2. For which symbol? Symbol is A. How to reach to Q2 from starting state? Starting is Q0. How to reach? Q0 reading A going to Q1, Q1 reading B going to Q2. So by reading AB, I am reaching to Q2. How to reach to final from Q2? Q2 itself is a final. Is this valid string? AB, then A. Our language says that all A's, then all B's. Here A and B, but after B, A is coming. As per the language, after B, A is not allowed. So this is the invalid string. Hence, Q2 is a state transition from Q2 for the symbol A. As this is the invalid string, transition for A will go to the dead state from the state Q2. Because if Q2 is reading A, whole string becomes invalid. And for invalid string, transition should go to the dead state. Now similarly from the Q2, we need to find transition for B. So write it. How to reach to Q2? By reading AB. From Q0, by reading AB, we can reach to Q2. How to reach to final from Q2? Q2 itself is a final. Is this valid string? A, B, B. Yes, after A, B's are coming. As per our language, all A's, then all B's. It's a valid. If at Q2, if 2 B's are coming, is this valid? Yes. A followed by triple B. All A's, then all B's. If triple B is coming, AB as it is, this is also valid. If suppose at Q2 no B are coming, means what? Epsilon. Epsilon contains 0 number of B's. This AB as it is, this is also valid. All A's, then B. Epsilon means empty string. This string becomes our AB. So all are valid string. It means what? Q2 is a state trying to find transition for 0 number of B's. Epsilon is what? 0 number of B's, or 1B, 2B, or many B's. Can I say 0 or many? So scenario is of 0 or many. So we know whenever there is a scenario of 0 or many in TOC, we need to give the self loop at state Q2 for symbol B. And this way Q2 becomes deterministic. And this is our final answer for the given language. You can practice similar kind of example where sigma contains 0, 1. In the next session we will learn similar kind of example, but condition will be different. Thank you for watching.